Hey guys, my name is Sonny and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, this is Sonny and welcome to the channel. Like so many of you, I've been watching YouTube videos for so many years. I see people like Itchy Boots or Evan McGregor and Charlie Bowman travel the world on motorcycles, and I just think it's amazing. I see other guys just taking old motorcycles that haven't run for maybe 10 or 20 years, making them all new again. And as a big motorcycle enthusiast, I want to chase this dream as well. So I'm dedicating this channel towards two things. First, I have bought my very first vintage motorcycle, which I will be restoring back to its full glory. And second, which is basically a lifelong dream of mine, I will be traveling from the Netherlands, that is where I live, all the way to Ulaanbaatar in Mongolia. Now, I have no idea how I will make these two dreams happen. I don't have a lot of mechanical skills and I've never traveled so far off-road on a motorcycle. So I'm dedicating this YouTube channel towards the journey, towards the process of me making it a reality. Okay guys, welcome to my garage. As you can see, it's nothing special. It's a regular normal sized garage. This is what I'm working on, and let me show you the bikes. So the first bike is obviously my Yamaha Tenere. It's my daily driver. It's a 2014, and as you can see, it's the beautiful matte gray kind of color. It's a really awesome bike. The biggest advantage of the bike is obviously that it has a beautiful Akrapovic, which they put on from factory, so it's a really good sounding bike. 2014, 40,000 and a little bit more kilometers on it for now, and this guys will be the motorcycle I will be using in the beginning to get off-road experience. So just to give you guys a little bit idea, so I used it to drive to work quite a lot, and I've been traveling with the bike. I went to Italy, which is the farthest point. I traveled to Germany, Switzerland, and also to France with the bike, so nothing too fancy. I will make a different video about the plans that I'm having for this bike and the training I'm going to do, but let's take a look at this beautiful thing. This is my first restoration project ever. It's a Honda 750F from 1982, and as you can see, the bike is in a very good condition. The bike does not run. I don't even know if the engine is seized or not. I bought it as a shed find, so I already cleaned the bike, so it's that's why it's clean, but it has been in a shed for over 10 years, and basically it had an accident prior to that, but the owner told me the bike was running when he put it away. I trusted him. I paid roughly 900 euros for the bike, so I'm not too concerned, but Honda is a good brand and I think it should be fine. So I wanted a little bit of a challenge on my first restoration bike. So as you can see, there is not a lot of rust on the bike itself. It looks rather neat and well kept inside, but I have to fully redo the braking system. As you can see, it's not even mounted. I have to clean the carbs, there's rust in the tank, and on top of that, the bike had an accident 10 years ago. As you can see, it got hit, not too hard, but this has to be replaced. The headlight is also damaged, and the front forks are a little bit bent. I don't know if you can see that, but the whole front side has to be changed before I can basically drive it around. But first things first, I have to see if the bike actually runs. So that will be the first thing for me, to get it running. See if it is a healthy engine or if there's more problems. So guys, those are the two bikes I currently own. So one daily driver, one restoration bike. I'll upload more videos about what I will be doing as preparations for my big travel to Mongolia. I have some other obligations. I also run my own company, so it's not something I will be doing in the next 2 months. I want to build the confidence, I want to build the skills and the know-how how to do it. So I think I'll probably start doing some off-road training with the Tenere. I'll probably be working on the CB750 to get some more know-how in general, and I'll also be doing some work on the Tenere. I need to do some valve adjustments, I need to change the chain kit, and maybe some other small things. So that's it for now, guys.